In this video, we're going to create a new client. To get started, click on the settings on the left navigation menu and then select Users and then Add New User. The form fields listed here are for your client's information. Lead Generated can serve as a digital rolodex or online organization system with all your client info in one location. Type in the first and last name of your client, and in the next box, the name of their company. In the next field, we will enter their email address. This is what will be used to send the leads to your client by default. You can override this email address from the Edit Company page later if necessary. In the next fields, we'll enter their phone number, street address, and website address. Currently, these are used only for your records, but we have found it to be really useful to have this stuff as a part of their profile. The Companies List button opens up a menu where you can assign the client to a company. So as leads come into your company, they can be forwarded to their associated clients. The next field allows you to select the user role. Currently, we have 3 different user roles: clients, managers, and admins. You can create as many users of each role as you would like. As the account owner, your account was set up as an admin by default. Admins can see every piece of your account for all companies and all modules. Managers can see all the modules, but only for their assigned companies. Some modules, like the heat map and due diligence, don't have a company relationship. So in these cases, the managers can see the full functionality of the module. Just like managers, clients can only see things related to their assigned companies. However, unlike managers, clients only have access to 3 modules: the lead management, reputation management, and GMB management modules. So since we're creating a client, we'll leave this field set to its default value of client. For the password fields, let's leave these both blank. As the little help text says, if we leave the password blank, it will be auto-generated for the user by default. They can always change it when they log in. Notice this little checkbox down at the bottom. This controls whether the user gets an email invitation to set up their Lead Generated account. If you do not want this client to have access to Lead Generated, just leave this box blank. You can always send an invitation later. If this is your first client, we recommend leaving this checkbox blank. You can create a test client and log in so you can see things from their perspective. If your browser is autofilling an email address or password, please make sure to remove those and enter the correct values. Once we have all the fields complete, we can click Submit to create our client. Okay, so now we've created our client and assigned it to our company. As new leads arrive for the company that's associated with this client, they will automatically be assigned to this client. Whether they are sent immediately or need to be sent manually will depend on your auto-forwarding settings. You can adjust the auto-forwarding settings from the Edit Client or Edit Companies pages. If you ever need to send an invitation to an existing user, such as a client, you can do that from the All Users page. Just click Settings, Users, All Users. Find the user you would like to send the invitation to, and then click this button to resend the invitation.